How to change Starlink Wi-Fi password. The first things first is you'll have to log in or create an account with Starlink once you have fully set it up your physical router. So on your mobile phone, just go ahead and head to your Play Store if you're using an Android device, and then look for the Starlink app. In here, you'll have to download and install it. If you do already have a Starlink application, make sure that you're currently running the latest version. Now, after that, the next thing you do is to start up or log into your Starlink account. Once you've fully set up your Starlink account, that's the time that you will have full access on your Starlink Wi-Fi manager. By there, just currently select on your current network, which is going to be Starlink, and that's the time that you can change your Wi-Fi password. Make sure that your Wi-Fi password is strong and make sure that you remember it. So that's it. That's how easy and quick you can change your Wi-Fi password on Starlink.